Welcome all. In this video we are going to solve sums of exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 linear inequalities of class 11th NCERT. So let us start. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. Here we have to solve these inequalities by drawing the graph. We are given two inequalities in this question, x greater than equal to 3 and y greater than equal to 2. So we draw their graph first. This is x-axis and y-axis origin. Now for x equal to 3, first of all we will draw the line x equal to 3 because inequality is x greater than equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is here and the line will be parallel to the y-axis. This is our line x equal to 3. Now the other inequality is y greater than equal to 2. So y equal to 2. Here this is the y equal to 2 and the line will be parallel to the x-axis. This is the line y equal to 2. Now in order to find the solution region, we have to find the common region of these two inequalities. Now x is greater than or equal to 3. So here if we put x equal to 0 in x greater than equal to 3, what we get? 0 greater than equal to 3, which is not true. So the region of this inequality x greater than equal to 3 will be the points on the line this x equal to 3 and the region away from origin, this region. This is the required region. So region for this inequality will be away from origin. And if we put y equal to 0 in y greater than equal to 2, again we get 0 greater than equal to 2, which is again not true. So here also the region will be away from origin. It will not be towards origin, it will be away from origin, that is this region. So the common region will be this region, is the common region. This is the common region. So common region that is shaded region including the points on line gives the solution region of these inequalities. This is the common region and this is the region of solution of these inequalities. Now look at the second question. In the second question again we are given 3 lines. So for 3x plus 2y equal to 12, we first of all we will have this table. For x 0, y is 6, and when y is 0, x will be 4. So again we will draw the graph here, x and y axis, origin, and we plot the points. Now here again, first of all we will draw this line. 0, 6 point will be here and 4, 0 is here. So we draw them, join these points. This is the line. You can draw it by scale also. You have to draw it by scale. I'm just drawing it by hand. Now this is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. This is the line. Now other is x equal to 1. Here is x equal to 1, so it will be parallel to y-axis. Third is y equal to 2. So this is the line y equal to 2. Now we will find the common region. Now putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12, we get 0 less than equal to 12, which is true. So the region will be towards origin. This is the region. And for x greater than equal to 1, again if we put x equal to 0, so 0 greater than equal to 1, which is not true. So the region of this x equal to 1 will be away from origin, here, this way. And in third inequality, put y equal to 0 in y greater than equal to 2. So 0 greater than equal to 2, which is not true. Again, so it will be upward. Its region will be upward, away from origin. So the common region will be this one, this triangle. You can shade it well. So here the shaded triangular region is the common region, and which forms the solution region of the given inequalities. Here also the points on these lines will be included. Now look at the third question. You can write also that the points on the boundaries will be included, because there is equality sign in the inequalities. Now third question, 2x plus y equal to 6. First of all, draw the table. When x is 0, y is 6. When y is 0, x is 3. And for 3x plus 4y equal to 12, when x is 0, y is 3. When y is 0, x is 4. So draw the lines. Now draw the points. First point is 0, 6. So it is here. Then 3, 0. You can join them. This is the line. Other one is 0, 3 and 4, 0. This is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now we will find the common region for 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. So putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in 2x plus y greater than equal to 6, we get 0 greater than equal to 6, which is not true. So the region will be away from origin. This is the region. Then again putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in second inequality, that is 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12, we get 0 less than equal to 12, which is true. So its region will be towards origin. So this is the region. So the common region will be this one. You can dark this region. So this is the common region. So the shaded region is the common region which forms the solution of the given inequalities. Points on boundaries are included, because here also in the inequalities we have equal sign. So this completes third question. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel, press the subscribe button and like and share this video. Thank you.